there's always some repair to do. So, and this right here, guys, I actually put this right here up as a car charger. But in the process of doing this right here, I cut out some unnecessary parts of the drywall. And so now I gotta repair it. And so you can see, I didn't need to do this right here. I would have been good if I just left this alone. And the only thing I'd have been messing with was just this right here. Because once I took this out, we had a pipe there and I couldn't feed the wire over in here. So that's just a mess up here, guys. And then I ended up having to come from below and run the wire up and then run it up to where it's at now. So we're gonna fix this right here, guys. So this is what I'm gonna work on. I'm gonna repair this right here. A couple of tools you're gonna need. I got some mud here, sheetrock mud. Got some tape, sheetrock tape. And I got my little stuff. You know, I may be able to use this right here. This tape right here is wet. It was out in the rain. So I may end up using this right here. This may be easier for me to use. Then I can take this right here back to Home Depot. Hey guys, I got a couple different things. I borrowed this from the school. So I got the sheetrock. This is actually, I think, a painter's spackle knife. It's not really a sheetrock knife, but I'm gonna use it as a sheetrock knife. Here's another one right here. So I'm gonna get it started. Ready, buddy? All right, guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna knock off some of this. Knock off some of this stuff right here, man. I probably need to do a couple of razor blades or something. So this debris here. All right. Once I kind of get that done, I'm gonna take this right here. I usually got a little water in this thing. So I'm gonna take this right here. It's already kind of mixed up a little bit. So I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna put a little coat here. Put my first coat here. Actually, I need to get a little bit more here. Put it on there. Realize I need more than what I thought I was gonna need. And guys, I got a smaller blade that I'm gonna apply it with first. I'm gonna put a little skim, a little small coat on here first. And you're gonna see what I'm using this little small coat for here. Notice I hadn't put no tape on here yet. Are you nervous or something, man? Because you're making me nervous. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to get it good and wet all around it. Come on here. Got some of these little hoses here. Once it got it like that there, I kind of got on all my joints, got some mud on it, okay? Then I'm gonna take, you know some, let's see, I'm gonna take this right here, guys. You know some, I'm gonna use this one, because it may be easier for me to work with, and then I know it's already wet. So yeah, kind of see this right here. I'm kind of measure off what I got here, so I'm probably gonna need this much. Cut it off. Just so you guys can see how I do it here. And there's a little groove in the sheetrock. You can see that little groove there, kind of like that right there. I'm gonna put it in that direction like that there. So I'm gonna put this on here. And then I'm gonna squish it out with this knife so it get wet on the other side. So I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna put it in, I'm gonna try to stick that groove in there. Then I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna put it on just right back there. I'll do the same thing to everything else. Then I'm gonna come on top of this thing and I'm going to put another coat on it on top. Squeeze it out, make sure all the bubbles out of it. Got a bubble right there. So I'm trying to get it down in there so that all the bubbles get out. Screwed it up here. That's a bigger blade. You know, so let me snatch that off. Let's try it again. I'm just going to use a bigger blade. Make this blade work a lot better. There we go. Good. I'm going to do the other part. I'm just going to use a bigger blade. That small blade is not working too good for me. So I'm going to do this like that there. Tape. A lot of times they cut the tape with the come here, put that tape there, move it down. And I'm gonna take this bad boy right here, cut it like that there. Makes a whole lot better. A little sheetrock over here. I guess this other knife, man, is only used for to apply. Okay, here. More to go. Hey, this kind of gets to be a messy little job here, guys. Right here. I'm gonna go up this way. Get this guy while I'm at it. wet. Try not to mess this right here, little portion up. I guess I'll come up to it like that. Want to make sure you don't get some bubbles in there too, guys. That's the key. Then I'm just gonna come through here and put like a little thin coat on top of that. Really, I probably should let it dry. All this right here gonna get sanded down. It's good, it's good, but then I'll get sanded down. So I'm gonna let that dry out. Let it dry, and then I'm gonna come back and put another coat on it. Okay? All right, now put this guy right here. up here. It's not grabbing, so I didn't get enough on that. You gotta get enough of this mud on there so that it'll grab that paper. So you got enough on there so it'll grab the paper. That's right here. Sometimes it just doggone tube don't use it. That's not doing a good job at pushing it on. I'm gonna try this other tube right here. Try this guy and see if it'll help me. That's not helping me. So this is a good, I think this is a good one right here. Messy job, by the way, guys. Sometimes this happens. Get it. You know. Get it. The taping is the. I think that's probably one of the hardest parts. It's so good and wet. Two more to go here. But run out of joint compound. Probably should have some plastic up on here, guys. Much better here. Just a little thin coat, that's all you need. Just want to make sure that the tape is going to here. Once it's dry, come back and put another coat on it. I'm gonna sand a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna sand a little bit. Then I'm gonna do a little sanding. And then once I sand a little bit, I still got little bubbles up there, but you know, I'll put another coat to stick it in there. I'll tear a little bit of that off. But once I sand a little bit, then I'm gonna come back and put another coat, sand a little bit more, put another coat, and each coat I put on there, that blade gonna get wider and wider. So I'm probably maxed out at a 12-inch blade. And then we'll be ready for paint. Sand and then we'll paint. All right, guys. That's taping drywall.